when a vehicle's damaged in a storm, you're talking thousands upon thousands of cars that are damaged, and that takes months to get through that assessment. So if we can move that into an automated process, you can get assessments done 10 seconds each rather than 15 minutes. That's the project we're working on with Corematic, and yeah, it's very exciting. So my name is Jack, and I am the Business Development Manager here at Catastrophe Management Technology. And we're working on this prototype here with Corematic to service assessors after a hail catastrophe across Australia and New Zealand. We chose to work with Corematics. They were really responsive to what we needed. They were easy to talk to, and they seemed to understand our needs and be able to translate between our needs and what we wanted. Met with Cyril and Scott to sit down and talk about the project, and then the engineer came in after that to go into further detail.
So my name is Leonardo. I am a computer vision engineer here at Corematic, and I've been working in this amazing project for the health scanner. I think the main challenge of this project was to integrate 6 different cameras in a real time to be able to provide best accuracy possible for then identification, tracking, and counting in real time, especially integrating artificial intelligence technologies.
So my name is Tanya. I'm the National Project Manager of Corematic. I'm looking after all the projects, after all the engineers, building relationships with the customer. With this particular project, my background is in automotive as well, so I understood very good what they try to do. So I could translate between what the customer needs to the engineers.
I guess working with Tanya's been really good. I'm not tech savvy, so it's always good to have that person in between to be there to always call on and explain what I can't explain. And then she's able to translate that to Leonardo, the engineer. So it's been really good having that.
I stay in touch with John and Jack to keep them up to date. They're very interested in how the code works and what it does and what are the limitations are, how we can already expand the system.
I guess the most enjoyable part is always seeing it come together. There's a lot of hours that go on behind the scenes that the engineers do that you don't see. So usually in a catastrophe assessment centre, there's 3 lanes. There's 2 assessors in each lane going around a car, and one assessment can take up to 10-15 minutes, whereas we drive this car through in 10 seconds and we see what Leonardo's done, and it's able to count those dents instantly and have a result with a quotation for repair. I guess the best benefits for the company would be to drive consistency and transparency to the industry. With this technology, we can really make sure all assessments are consistent throughout that assessment of a catastrophe.
As an engineer, for me it was really fun to test different artificial models, play with the cameras, having different solutions, have conversation with the client to be able to provide a really good solution for their needs.
At Corematic, we're very transparent, very open. We communicate with the customer to allow them to understand what are the roadblocks. Everybody in Corematic is just very approachable. It's very interesting. We're very young. We're coming from different backgrounds, but which also brings a lot of input of different ideas, different level of approach, how to fix things, how to think about things. And yeah, that's what brings also strength to Corematic, that we are so diverse that we just constantly be out of the box and deliver solutions.
Cool.
Haven't prepared anything.
Yeah, of course, it's been fun, yeah.